everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. Hey everyone, today we're going to do something super fun and practical.
Absolutely. Today's topic is common English sentences for talking to friends. If you want to sound natural when chatting with your friends in English, this podcast is for you.
Yeah, we're going to cover everyday sentences you can use, whether you're greeting someone, making plans, joking around, or even sharing opinions.
And don't worry, we'll make it fun, just like a real conversation. So get ready.
Let's start with something simple. Greetings. You know, saying hello in English.
Right. Instead of just hi, you can say, hey, how's it going? Or what's up?
Exactly. So if I see my friend in the morning, I could say, hey Mike, how's it going?
Wait, you're greeting yourself?
Oh yeah, practicing with myself counts too, but really, you'd say it to your friend.
Another fun one is long time no see. You use it when you haven't seen a friend in a while.
Like if I bump into you after a month. Jessica, long time no see.
Yeah, and the response could be, I know, how have you been?
Perfect. And if you want to sound really casual, you can say, hey, what's up? Or even just, yo.
Yo is definitely very casual. Use it with friends you know really well. After greetings, it's natural to ask about your friend's day.
Right. Simple sentences include, how was your day? Or what did you do today?
You can also ask, anything interesting happened today?
And if you want to sound even more casual, you can say, how's your day going so far?
You could also say, survived the day?
Oh, that's a good one. Perfect for a friend who had a busy or tough day.
And when your friend responds, try to react naturally. For example,
friend, it was crazy, but I managed everything. Me, wow, you're a superhero.
Or if it was boring, you could say, ugh, same old, same old. Now let's talk about making plans with friends.
Classic sentences include, do you want to hang out this weekend? Or are you free tomorrow?
Or you could say, let's grab a coffee sometime. Simple and friendly.
And when your friend responds, you can say, awesome, what time works for you?
Or, cool, let's do it. I'm looking forward to it.
And sometimes your friend might say, I'm busy. Then you can respond,
no worries, maybe another time.
That's super polite and friendly.
And if you want to be extra casual, you can say, we'll catch up later then.
Compliments are great for friends. They make people feel good.
Yes, some sentences, I love your outfit, or your new haircut looks amazing.
Or you can say, you're really good at that. For example, if a friend plays guitar, Mike, you're really good at guitar.
Thanks. And if someone compliments you, you can say, thanks, that means a lot.
Or just, thanks, you're too kind.
And sometimes friends joke with compliments, like, wow, you actually made it on time.
Yeah, friendly teasing is common too.
Talking with friends often involves sharing opinions.
Absolutely. Some easy sentences, I think this movie is awesome. Or, in my opinion, this is the best place to eat.
Or more casual, I'm not really into that.
Or more casual, I'm not really into that.
And if you disagree politely, I see what you mean, but I feel differently. Or just, no way, I totally disagree. Friendly disagreement is normal among friends.
And you can also say, that's interesting. I never thought of it that way. It shows you're listening.
Friends are also people we ask advice from.
Right. You can say, what would you do in my situation? Or, can I get your advice?
Or casually, what do you think I should do?
And when a friend gives advice, respond with, thanks, that really helps.
Or, good idea, I'll try that.
Sometimes advice is funny too. Friend, just ignore it. Me, easy for you to say.
Inviting friends to activities is super common.
You can say, do you want to join me for a movie? Or, come to my party this Saturday.
Or casually, hey, let's go grab some food together.
And if the friend says yes, great, it'll be fun.
If they say no, you can say, no worries, maybe next time.
Always keep it friendly and positive.
Friends also share exciting news or surprises.
Yeah, for excitement, that's amazing. Or, I'm so happy for you.
And for surprise, no way, really? Or you're kidding.
Yes, and sometimes just, wow, I didn't see that coming.
You can also say, that's awesome news. Great for celebrating friends' achievements.
Another common conversation among friends is offering help.
Simple sentences, do you need any help? Or can I give you a hand?
Or casually, let me know if you need anything.
And if your friend accepts, thanks, that would be great.
Or if they decline, no problem, just checking.
English is all about being polite but friendly.
Finally, saying goodbye.
Common sentences, see you later, or catch you later.
Or talk to you soon.
For casual friends, bye, take care, or even later.
And sometimes a friendly tease works. Don't get into trouble while I'm gone.
Always end on a positive note.
Let's add some fun, casual sentences friends often use.
Like, what are you up to? Or, you won't believe what happened.
Or joking, you're such a drama queen.
Or, stop being so lazy.
And if your friend is teasing you, haha, very funny, not.
English with friends is playful and relaxed. Don't be afraid to joke and laugh.
All right, Jessica, how about we do a mini conversation using some of these sentences?
Great idea. Let's pretend we're meeting after a long time.
Jessica, long time no see.
Jessica, I know. How have you been?
Pretty good. What have you been up to lately?
Just busy with work, but I managed to take a short trip last weekend.
No way, really? That sounds amazing.
Yes, you should come next time. We could go together.
Absolutely. Let's plan it. When are you free?
Next weekend works for me.
Perfect. Can't wait. And hey, your new haircut looks great.
Thanks. Yours too, by the way.
All right, I gotta run, but talk to you soon.
See you later. Take care.
Perfect. That's how a natural English conversation between friends sounds.
And that's a wrap for today's episode.
We covered greetings, talking about your day, making plans, compliments, sharing opinions, and so much more.
Remember, the key is practice. Try using these sentences with your friends in real life. Don't worry about mistakes.
And don't forget to have fun. English is all about communication, not perfection.
Thanks for listening, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center.
And hit the notification bell so you never miss our episodes.
See you in the next podcast. Bye.
Bye, everyone.